Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add your logo into your EverWebinar registration page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to include your logo in your webinar registration page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that you generally want to continue tweaking your registration page to increase registrations, and maybe adding your logo can help with that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add your logo into your webinar registration page, here on the left side, click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. Go ahead and click on the edit button for the webinar that you want to add your logo into the registration page for. So for example, this one. Once you do that, you'll see these blue dots at the top, and you want to click on registration. You're going to look for this right here, registration page design. Off to the right, click on the pencil icon. Okay, next you're going to see all of the templates that are available to you from EverWebinar. So if you want to add your logo, you need to choose a landing page that has an image in it. So for example, this one has mountains and these two little people. This one down here has some mountains. This one also. This one has a person. So as long as it has an image, you're going to be able to swap out the image and put your logo. So let's go ahead and maybe choose this guy right here, and you just click on customize. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose where the registration button is going to appear. So is it going to be a bar? Is it going to be a bubble? A button, an embedded form? So I'm going to choose this one, registration bar, and launch builder. Okay guys, so here is where you can go ahead and choose where you want to add your logo. So for example, right here, webinar presenters, you can see it's me. If you want to add your logo in there, or even your picture, you just click on the little pencil icon and then just click on the, okay, and then you can go ahead and grab your logo and it'll show up right there. Now, maybe you want to go ahead and add your logo to replace these mountains. All you do is just click, well, let me go ahead and save this right here. Okay, so if you hover over this background image, you're going to see a little pencil icon pop up. Click on there, and we can go ahead and upload an image. It's uploading, and now you see it changed in the back. So maybe you're going to use your logo in the back there. And same thing with this guy right here. So we'll just hover over him, click on the pencil, okay, and just grab your logo, and it's going to replace him with your logo, as you can see right here. So after you've done that, and your logo is appearing where you want it to, click on save here on the right, and then action, save and exit. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your logo into your webinar registration page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.